Hi everyone, welcome back to Fuchsia World. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a cat portrait or cat face with the help of color pencils. An interesting thing is that I am using $1 color pencils. Yes, that was so difficult for me to work with these pencils, but somehow I was able to create artwork. First of all, I am sketching the reference picture of the cat face. You can take reference photos from internet, so it will be easy for you to sketch the face. Now I am using the black color pencil to outline the eyes and make it prominent. So I am starting with coloring the eye. So very lightly I am coloring using the oh, you can see how $1 pencil is doing things for me. It was difficult. Anyways, so I am continuing my work and lightly doing the color and mixing with the different colors, like I am using now tone of blue and mixing it with the yellow color. Similarly, I'm using different colors to make depth in the eye, so you have to do it patiently, like as I am doing. So in this way you will be able to achieve a good portrait or the face drawing of a cat using just $1 pencil. Believe me, if you will follow these steps, your drawing will be very good and looking real, even if you have not high end or pricey color pencils. I am now doing small strokes using black color, like you are seeing here in the video. Mm, I don't know whether these facial hair called whiskers. I don't remember. If you know what are these hair called, do comment down below and let me know. Now I am working on ear flap. I'm using red, pink and orange shades. So in this way I'm able to create the ear. And you have to make it hollow, so you should have darker color like black on the outer side or the outer portion of the ear. And again I am doing little portions at a time and making the hair on the face. And now I am working on the mouth area. For nose I am using pink, maroon and orange to make the depth in a nose, and I'm also using black color to make the hollows. And I have a tip for you: if you are making any sketch or any drawing or any portrait drawing, you have to concentrate on a small portion at a time, and not like if you are doing from here and then suddenly you start the other part. No, you have to progress gradually. In this way your drawing will be more realistic and you know how to proceed further with the drawing. When you are making a portrait or drawing of any animal with hair, it is very important to make the strokes and make it look like hair. So in this way the drawing will look realistic. And to show the depth even with these small hair on the face, I am using different colors, like I'm using gray, I'm using light brown, I'm using black, I'm using, as you see here, I'm using different shades to even make a small portion. And now I am again repeating the same instructions and doing the other part of the face. Now I am using white marker to make the whiskers. I think these are called whiskers, yes. So I'm also using black color to make the depth in the mustaches. And here is the final result. Hope you like my video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.